Welcome to the lab. I'm Roy the Barber. I am the barber consultant, and welcome to the lab. Closing out the day. Today is Sunday. A little under the weather, but I'm trying to get some information out there about my 2023 go-to clippers, blades, and tools. Since I'm cleaning up, I come to find out that I prefer my calibers. These right here, with this blade, this taper blade. I'm a taper blade guy. I like taper blades. They do everything well. You can float, because of the taper blade, you can like float without guards. You easily can bevel off the scalp and float if it's a guard. That's why I like taper blades, man. Sleeping on these taper blades, they are more versatile than fade blades. So this is the sleeper. I didn't know how good this machine was. This caliber. And one thing good about this caliber, I'm taking away from the mic, but it's quiet. 10,000 RPMs. It's not as powerful as my Mythics. Which gives a more feather blend with this taper blade. One thing about taper blades are made for blending. That's why it has the ridges on the blade. For more blunt cuts, that's why people prefer the fade blade. That's why this vapor blade is best of both worlds. Probably the best blade out there right now on any machine, pretty much. And I can test the fact that I have it also on my ergos. Taper blade is this taper blade is good. I do, if nothing against fade blades, but taper blades, you skip a lot of guards. You see, I even have it on my sabers, the taper blade, for certain situations, for slower speed, quiet, 8-hour runtime. Can't go wrong. So I think that for 2023, man, I think it's taper blade. It's the taper blade season. I've been very pleased with my work with these taper blades. Now, don't get me wrong, I do have fade blades, but usually it's the fusion blade. That's really on the fade blade I really like, unless I'm up here cleaning. I'm up here closing out right now. Unless the only really fade blade I really like is my walls with my Andes. This is the only really fade blade I really go to because I like these guards, man. I still enjoy using these guards. Let me go ahead and finish cleaning up. But yeah, that's my lineup. Look at that. Again, favorite blade, man. Favorite blade. Favorite blade. I think it's taper blade season. It's taper blade season this year. Taper blade season. They say taper blades are for beginners, as far as if you're trying to learn how to cut. But actually, if you know how to master the taper blade, you actually get through a lot of cuts. It's more a versatile type blade to where it gives a softer cut. Also, on the right machine, it can give for clipper over comb, things of that nature. You can actually do clipper over comb open. You know, it becomes a true one. because I do with this, the reason why I like it on this machine, because I have the stretch bracket on this one, on this machine right here. It gives a real true one with the combination of my Fat Master blade and with this taper blade with a true one, and this like a 1A, almost like a true 1A open to a 2. This combination, I don't even need guards. Speeds up just because of the taper blade. The taper blade gives you the ability to even not use guards. Sometimes you can just float cut with the taper blade. That's my recommendation for 2023, man. Taper blade. Taper blade is officially my go-to blades. Go-to blade, the taper blade. I'm gonna let you know, all my machines, majority of them taper blades. And the reason why, each taper blade cut different. Softer cut, smoother motion on the scalp, more curvature instead of flat. Then I have my fusion blade. This is skin line out. This gets skin lines out, man. For real. It gets skin lines out. This right here, skin lines out. Skin lines out. These probably the most sleeper on trimmers for balding. Sleepers. But my best combination for trimmers is my Fusion. These two right here. I'm gonna show you why. Show you why. The classic with the one cutter. These right here. Now this one's a deep tooth. That's why. Classic blade is a great blade to master. It's easier to see beside. Right? And this is not deep tooth. So this gives a sharper lineup and curving and things like that because it's not deep tooth. And this one is deep tooth. So if the hair is a little bit longer, I can grab these and get things done. That's my lineup. And at the end of the day, my choppers. I call these choppers because they chop heavy. These are choppers. You want to get through quick, efficient, detachables. See, I got that arsenal of detachables. Just quick little video on why I think you should reconsider if you just using the fade blade to grab that taper blade. That taper blade, how they make them now, they kind of cut like the fade blade, but also you get the taper blade effect when necessary. Get you a taper blade. At least one machine with a taper blade. And that should be it. And I'm gonna go home, call it a night. And I appreciate, please like and subscribe to the video. And hopefully I'll be dropping one next week. I'm gonna try to keep it going. This is Barber. You in the lab, and we out.